In this video, I'll show you how to use Preview to create text files, to create multiple images, to remove backgrounds, even scan documents, and take photos with an iPhone. I'm Bruce McBride, and my goal is to improve your knowledge and to speed up your workflow in Final Cut. In the description below, you will find timestamps for this video. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell. So let's have a look at Preview. If we look up in the File menu, you can see Import from Phone, and we can take a photo here. And on your iPhone now, you will see that you can take a photo. You can scan the document, and it will show up in Preview. You can take screenshots, so we could take a particular selection, drag the crosshairs around, and there's that screenshot. Typically, what you would use Preview for with Final Cut is to work with still images. Now, if we go to a web page now and select an image on that page, and we're going to select an image here that has a transparent background. So if I simply right-click on that now, I can copy that image. And then when we come to Preview, we can open a new file from the clipboard. So new from clipboard. And what that does is that brings the image up here for us to work with. Now we could simply go in and export here and save that and use it with a transparent background. Or we could do some different things with it. So let's come to the tools here and we'll select Annotate. And for instance, we could put a speech bubble in there. And you could type some text in that. So when you see here that your toolbar is open, and that's opened up from this little A here, so that opens and closes the toolbar, we can select the text tool, and you'll see there's some text down there, and we can type in that, hello, well, with an O, hello, all very interesting. Let's just delete those for now. What else can we do with this? Well, if we use this rectangular tool here, we can select part of an image. So we could click on this here and delete that out of the image. Or, putting that back there, we could use the smart lasso. This is a lot smarter. And clicking on the edge here, we can just draw this over the image. And it highlights the actual image for us, taking it out and leaving the shape behind. Undo that. We could remove the background. So by clicking on this tool here, you could gradually remove the background. So we could remove that background there by deleting it. We could also remove this checkerboard and delete that. And now we can go and save that image or export it. And we'd export it, and what we'd want to do is to export it with an alpha channel as either a PNG or a TIFF file, and then we can use that in Final Cut. So now let's try and do something else with this image. Let's build up some multiple images. Coming to Safari, and we'll just open a new window, and using Preview's screenshot from a selection, we can select this particular image here, copy it, and paste it, so that we're now building up multiple images within the same frame. Let's take the Final Cut logo and pop that in here. We'll put that one over there. Now, if this isn't big enough, we can resize it. Resize this one. Maybe take another one here. So how about the A and pop that in here. If we want to, we can increase the size of the whole image by clicking on this expand here. We can make it into a 1920 by 1080 image and turn off the scale proportion. And there's the 1920 image that will fit directly into Final Cut. We can export that now. So now when we go to import those files in Final Cut, and looking at here, there's the multi-image, there's the untitled image we saved earlier. And let's import both of those. And there's the first image we created with its transparent background. There's the second image we created with the multiple files.
I hope this video has shown you how versatile Preview is and how easy it is to add value to Final Cut with the Preview application. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.